Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
This park, then we'll try to capture some of the artwork that we see, including this giant sculpture right here. You got more places to sit, and then you also got some exercise equipment as well. Macau World Trade Center, and I don't think we can see it on this side, but if you see it from a distance on the other side, there's a giant WTC on it. The Arts Garden, and there's some artwork right in the background. So we're just going to walk in here a little bit and just kind of see what we can make of this art park. Here is the map of it, and it looks like we're at the entrance right here. You are here. Você está aqui. I would just walk down that way. Looks like we go all the way down to the bronze statue of Xian Xinghe. So we'll that's him. That's a famous composer. So we'll walk by all this stuff and just kind of give you an idea. I don't think I filmed this park before. And then in the distance, that's an overpass between NAPE and ZAPE. And we're gonna follow our park all the way down. So stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Jardim das Artes. All these ferns everywhere. Okay, so that's the area that we're going to be walking away from. That's Star World Casino straight ahead with this big star up on that building. There's a play area right there, which I'm not going to film. And we'll just walk all the way down through this park, and we'll try to capture some of the artwork that we see, including this giant sculpture right here. And then we'll keep walking down that way as well. Some nice root system. Okay, so let me just try to capture this little art piece real quick. I don't know what the image is exactly, but it's pretty big. Of course. Some nice trees in this park. And it looks like this park just kind of follows down through along the street, which I'll show you more in a moment. Got some places to sit. Got trash cans, got places to sit way over there too. And then you have play areas, which I'm glad there's no kids, so I don't really like filming playgrounds where there's kids. So this park, according to the map, I always thought it was just this little part right here, but it looks like it continues down that way as well. So we'll just follow this whole park all the way down, and we'll ultimately go out to where that composer statue is at. All right, so this is a gated part, and then this one will be more open to the public, where I think the other one, I think they close at nighttime, I think. You got more places to sit, and then you also got some exercise equipment as well, and some interesting chairs too. Okay, so it looks like this is where you start running. A little bit confusing. Got some exercise equipment. A lot of parks in Macau have exercise equipment. And this one looks like it mimics a bicycle. There's one where you stand, twist. Okay. So we'll just keep on going down. This one, maybe later I might highlight that street later. This one looks like you can hang for kids, I guess. Climb and hang. More outdoor exercise equipment throughout. And then straight ahead is Sands Casino. So we're walking directly towards that. This talks about the fitness equipment, I guess. Warning signs. This is the Macau World Trade Center. And I don't think we can see it on this side, but if you see it from a distance on the other side, there's a giant WTC on it. Let me give a little bit of a 360 here. It's kind of nice to see what you're looking at up as well as straight ahead. This looks like a little place for kids can bring in basketballs or some kind of balls where they don't get lost. This looks like it's completely for kids. So I guess this is just mostly for climbing. That goes all the way down. So, okay. So we do have a lot of stuff here for kids and for elderly as well. Looks like the World Trade Center. Let me get around this tree real quick. Let me show off this too. More signs. So there's another angle of the World Trade Center. And it's kind of interesting. It's all being scaffolded, but you can see at the rooftop there's like some interesting designs up there. Yeah, we're actually parallel with this is called Arts Park, but that street over there with all the traffic, I mean the parked cars, not much traffic, but the parked cars has a different name. So we're following the Garden of Arts. Huh. This is good for gymnastics. Actually some nice equipment here. A lot of elderly people will use this. Right now it's a Tuesday and it's the hottest part of the day, so we're not really seeing many people around at the moment. And it's going to come out to this Xinjinghai statue, so we'll follow all the way down. And that statue is right there, which is incidentally also it's Xinjinghai Street is right here. And just to give you some reference, this is Berlin Street right here. So we're in this NAPE area. So this street is Berlin. There's another street called Madrid Street, Brussels Street, Rome Street, London Street. And then this one is Avenida Xinjinghai, and that's actually the composer. So when you look at that map all the way down that way, there's Star World Casino, there's the World Trade Center. That was the statue right here that I saw on the map, and he is a very famous, one of the most famous composers that was born and raised in and connected with Macau. I think he was, I can't remember where he was born exactly, but he spent most of his adult life. And there's a museum named after him. So yeah, Macau's most famous composer. But anyways, Soulbrigada Street was that park right there, which is right next to Berlin Street, which is right there. And then we're gonna end our video, but if we were to continue, this would go towards Sands Casino, and then there's a Grand Napa hotel is right there. Okay. So let's end this one. So that was the art street right next to Berlin Street. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.